Education, Regional Zamboanga Peninsula, Schools Division of Zamboanga del Sur, Josefina District, Moraje Elementary School. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Maring Perla Black, MK Enterprises, and Team Kalusugan. In grateful recognition of their generous support and commitment to the feeding program which has helped nourish children in our school. Your generosity, compassion, and partnership have made a measurable difference in the lives of our learners. Given this 24th day of March 2026 at Moraje Elementary School, Moraje Josefina, Zamboanga del Sur. Signed by Elizal L. Sumini, EDD Elementary School Principal 3. Duly represented by Ma'am Arlene Puape, our teacher 6, and grade 5 advisor.